When a wildfire raced across thousands of acres of Idaho Power managed wildlife habitat in 2024, it left behind a devastated landscape and erased years of work improving the Daly Creek watershed. It was a scary moment for employees, but one that also created an opportunity for long-term improvements at the 11,000-acre Daly Creek Habitat Management Area.
We came back to the office, and I want to say it was maybe 30 minutes, and then our phone started going off with an alert saying you need to evacuate now, and then, my heart almost dropped.
Quick work from fire crews saved the headquarters building and equipment, but employees returned to find more than 7,300 acres severely burned. Native sagebrush, vital to this high desert habitat, was reduced to ash. Bunch grasses that feed deer and elk, wildflowers essential to pollinators, food plots, and even willows along the creek were scorched by the coyote fire. The silver lining beneath the blackened earth is that cheatgrass and other invasive annual plants also burned. Idaho Power's habitat management crew used the opportunity to give native plants a head start on repopulating key areas. They planted over 250 acres with a mix of sagebrush, native grasses and wildflowers, rabbitbrush, bitterbrush, and others. Steep slopes on much of the Daly Creek property make this kind of reseeding impossible, so we contracted a large drone to spray areas with an herbicide to slow the emergence of cheatgrass. That gives native plants, which are usually slower to emerge in the spring, a better chance to gain a foothold. A few months after the fire, signs of recovery are everywhere. Green shoots fill in the shallow furrows from the previous fall's reseeding. Native plants dot the once barren hillsides.
The idea of having perennial plants established is that they're self-sustainable and competitive with annual invaders like cheatgrass and medusa head.
Daly Creek itself will play a major role in the rehabilitation. Beavers are creating ponds that hold much-needed water for the shoreline and beyond. It will take many years for the Daly Creek drainage to recover from the coyote fire, but with some help from Idaho Power employees and our commitment to stewardship of this important land, that recovery is well underway.